If you are uploading football shots every day but getting a few views, don't worry because you are not alone. A lot of football creators believe YouTube is not pushing their videos, but in most cases, the real problem is something else. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly why football shots are getting low views, and more importantly, how to fix the problem step by step. I will also show you the practical, so you can follow along and also apply these strategies to your own channels immediately. Make sure you watch until the end because I will share one of the most important things YouTube looks at before deciding whether to push your videos, to more people. Let's get started. The first mistake most football creators make is having a weak hook. If you're having a weak hook, this is the first problem. What do I mean by a weak hook? Let's look at this example. As you can see, the video started with several seconds of nothing exciting happening. What I mean is a weak hook. Let's look at this example. As you can all see, the video started with several seconds. The player is just moving around and also crowd isn't reacting and there isn't anything immediately to grab in attention. The problem is that viewers on YouTube Short decide within a seconds. They decide within a seconds whether they want to continue watching or swipe away. If they swipe away quickly, YouTube assumes the content isn't increasing and also stop recommending it. So what you should do instead, let's look at this. Always start with the most exciting moment first. Always start with the most exciting moment first. For football content, this could be a stunning goal, an unbelievable skills move, a shocking miss, an emotional celebration, or a crazy wave. Let me show you how I would fix this clip. Instead of starting here, I am going to trim the beginning and also move the best moment to the first second of the video. Now, when the viewers see the most video, they instantly, curious about what's happening next. The simple change alone can dramatically improve your retention. Now, let's talk about the second mistake, slow editing. Football content is exciting by nature, but if your editing is slow, viewers lose interest very quickly. Let me show you an example. Notice how there are long pauses between actions. There are very few little movements on the screen. The video feels slow and also predictable. Now, let's improve it. I am opening my editing app and also adding a few simple adjustments. First, I am trimming unnecessary sections. Next, I am adding quick cuts between important moments and also then I am using zoom effect to focus attention on key actions. You don't need complicated effects. You don't need that. Effects can make your content feel much more dramatic. The goal is to keep viewers engaged from beginning to the end. The third mistake is not using caption. A lot of people watch YouTube Shorts without sound. Some viewers are in public place while others simply scroll through videos with their volume turned off. If your video depends entirely on audio, you are losing viewers. Let me show you how easy it is to add captions. Alright, open the caption tools and also generate automatically substitutes. Now viewers can understand what's happening even if they are not listening to the audio. They are not listening to the audio. Caption also help emphasize important moments also. For example, if a player scores an unbelievable goal, you can add text like, watch a goal, or, just add something like, no way he scored that. No way he scored that. This caption creates excitement and also help increase retention. Now let's move on the fourth mistake, bad titles and also caption. Many football creators use titles that are too basic. For example, Messi goal, Ronaldo scores, Ronaldo skills, football highlights. These titles doesn't create curiosity. Try titles that makes viewers want to know more. For example, you won't believe what just happened here. The crowd could not believe the goal. This goal shocked everyone. Notice the difference. The second group of titles creates emotion and also curiosity. People are much more likely to click and watch. One easy way to improve your titles is by studying viral football shots. Search for football shots and that already have millions of views. Look at the wording they use. Look at the emotions they trigger, you know. Then apply similar principles to your own content. Apply similar principles to your own content. Now let's discuss one of the most important thing creators often ignore: analytics. Most creators only focuses on views. Most creators only focuses on views, but views don't tell the whole story. Let's open YouTube Studio, and here you all see several important, metrics. Several important metrics: watch time and also audience retention, average view duration, so these numbers are extremely important. These numbers are extremely important. Imagine two football shots. First one gets 1,000 views, but viewers leave after 3 seconds. The second gets 500 views, but viewers watch almost the entire video. Which one do you think YouTube prefers? The second one. Which one do you think YouTube prefers? The second one. Why? All right, let me tell you why. Because viewers are staying engaged. Viewers are staying engaged on the video. YouTube wants people to, stay on the platform for as long as possible. The longer viewers watch your content, the more likely YouTube, is to recommend it. So instead of obsessing over views, focus on keeping viewers watching. Ask yourself, would I watch the entire shot? Does the video stay exciting from beginning to the end? Does every second add value? This question can help you improve your content significantly. Now let's talk about the consistency. Many creators upload 5 videos and then, quit because they don't see results. The reality is that growth takes time. The reality is that growth takes a lot of time. Every upload gives YouTube more information about your audience. The more quality content you publish, the more opportunities you create a video to take off, So one viral football shot can completely change your channel, but you will never know which video it will be, That's why consistency matters a lot. Keep improving your editing, keep improving your hooks, and also keep improving your title. And most importantly, keep uploading. Keep uploading. Before we end this video, let's quick recap everything we have, covered here. Number 1, start your video with the most exciting moment. Start your video with the most exciting moment. Number 2, remove boring section and also use faster editing. Remove boring section and also use faster editing. Number 3, add captions because many viewers watch without, sound. Number 4, use the titles that create curiosity and also emotion. Number 5, focus on the retention and also watch time rather than views. Number 6, stay consistent and also continue improving every upload. If you apply these strategies correctly, your football shot will have a much better chance of, reaching more viewers and also growing your channel. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future video. About YouTube growth, football editing, monetization tips, and also PayPal tutorial and everything you need to, succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.